if you want to have the motion tracking for a face, you have a clip with a face in it. You put it on this track, the first one. They use power tool, I think. Yeah, and then you go to face off, and you would normally choose one from here that will track your face. So if you want to add your own image for it, you will have to go to this. You go to your files, and then you go to Windows, where the Filmora is. So you go to program data. It will be here, and if you don't see it, you have to click on view and click on hidden items so you can see it. And then you click on program data, and then you look for Wondershare video editor, resources, content, images, and then you have to add an image here, and you have to make sure it's a .png image, so it has no black or white background. And then, so for example, so if I want the picture of this, if I want this picture to go over my face, I will have to copy it, and then you go to here, the folder where it is in. So I'll do it again. Program data, Wondershare video editor, resources, contents, images, and then just paste it in here. Then will be here, and then what you have to do, go to power tools, face off, and then click the check, and then you can see here it will be on my face now, and it will follow it. I hope this has helped you.